Hey everyone, in terms of performance and creativity, Solar Hyperion electric scooter raises the bar for the industry. This expensive $3,299 scooter isn't simply a mode of transportation. It's a powerful device made for both long-distance commuters and thrill-seekers. With two 3,500-watt motors that may reach 4,500 watt each, the Hyperion can produce an incredible 9,000 watt of power. With a top speed of 65 miles per hour, this configuration makes it one of the fastest scooters in its class. Its precise architecture makes hitting 50 miles per hour exciting and surprisingly steady, even though reaching the top speed may test one's bravery. Two 55-amp controllers on the scooter guarantee responsiveness and smooth power delivery. The Hyperion provides longer trips between charges because of its impressive 270-mile range. Both the front and rear suspension on the scooter may be adjusted for preload and rebound damping. Because of this versatility, motorcyclists can maximize their comfort or speed. The scooter's integrated stabilization technology reduces speed wobbles at high speeds and guarantees smooth handling even in the absence of an additional steering damper. At these speeds, safety is crucial, and the Hyperion delivers. The bike provides precise and controlled stops thanks to its regenerative braking and nut hydraulic disc brakes. When you release the throttle, the Regan braking system offers seamless deceleration, improving ride quality and safety. The Hyperion is both fashionable and useful. Gray and black are available. Riders of all sizes can use the roomy and broad platform. The scooter can easily withstand rain thanks to its water-resistant 4.3-inch color display. You can view directions straight on the screen thanks to integration with Google and Apple Maps. The scooter's cutting-edge thumb throttle provides outstanding control and zero dead zones. This throttle is perfect for both slow takeoffs and quick speed spikes since it guarantees smooth acceleration. The handlebars also contain easy-to-use controls for the electronic horn, the 2,000 lumen headlight, and turn signals. Both off-road and on-road versions of the 11-inch pneumatic tires are available. Although the on-road tires are the focus of this evaluation, the scooter's performance on grass and loose gravel shows how versatile it is. Off-road tires, however, would surely improve its toughness. The Hyperion, which weighs 110 pounds, is sturdy but not recommended for heavy lifting. It is appropriate for riders of all sizes because it can support a maximum rider weight of 440 pounds. In practical performance testing, the Hyperion performs exceptionally well, delivers power quickly but steadily, enabling smooth acceleration to 50 miles per hour, shows off its tremendous torque by effortlessly navigating steep inclines. Even at high speeds, braking provides fast and smooth stopping power. The Hyperion was a pre-production model with a few minor flaws, such loose lighting components and a sticker that peeled off as it was unpacked. It is anticipated that these peculiarities will be fixed in the finished production model. For individuals who require unmatched power, range, and comfort, the Solar Hyperion is a formidable electric scooter. Although its weight and expense may put off casual users, fans will find its performance and high-end features to be worth the cost. The Hyperion offers an exhilarating and dependable ride whether you're navigating hills or city streets. Would you dare to go as fast as 65 miles per hour? Tell us. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.